Good day and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to quickly make this star keychain, and I thought it was a good back to school idea. So you'll need some wool, glue, keychain, some googly eyes, a stitch marker, scissor, your crochet hook, and a darning needle, and some filling to fill the star. This is very quick, about 10 minutes. You just make a magic ring and chain one, does not count as a chain. Then you're gonna single crochet 5, so 5 single crochets in the magic ring. And then pull your magic ring tight. Adjust your stitches a bit. Right, now single crochet into the very first single crochet, and you're going to place a stitch marker on this specific stitch. In the same stitch, you're going to make another single crochet, and in the next 4 single crochets, make 2 single crochets. That will give you a total of 10 single crochets. Once you're back at your stitch marker, remove it, single crochet in that stitch, and you're going to want to put your marker back on. So 1 single crochet, marker. Now you're going to put 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat that. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet in one stitch, in the next stitch 2 single crochets, until you get back to your stitch marker, and you'll have a total of 15 single crochets. When you get to your stitch marker, remove it, 1 single crochet into that first stitch, and put your stitch marker back on, single crochet in the next stitch, two single crochets in the next stitch, single crochets, 2 single crochets in that stitch. Here's the pattern: 1 single crochet in one stitch, again 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochets in that stitch, and you repeat this until you get back to your stitch marker. Once we're back at the stitch marker, we're going to start on the points of the star. Right, nearly there. Right, so now you're going to want to work in the very last stitch that you just finished, in the very last stitch. So you finished that row, because we're going to make that point. So in the very last stitch that you did, do the following: 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. That's the first point. Done. Remove your stitch marker. So half double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. One slip stitch, 2, and 3 slip stitch. In the next stitch, You will single crochet, half double crochet, 1 double crochet, half double crochet, 1 single crochet, slip stitch in next 3 stitches. Repeat. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch in 3 of those stitches, and you're going to repeat that. You'll end up with a total of 5 points. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double, half double, 1 single crochet, slip stitch in next 3. So, right, so you're nearly done. Very easy, less than 10 minutes to complete. Now slip stitch, single, you're gonna chain 1, pull it tight enough, leave a long enough tail to secure this work. So you're gonna leave a long enough tail because you're going to have to excuse my English, you're gonna have to make 2 stars. So that's it, I've made 2. And to join them together, you face both of the backs together, and it's always your choice how you want to do this. You could have just continued and slip stitch them together, or you can use a darning needle to darn them together. Again, it's your choice, but should you wish or want a full tutorial on different methods of joining 2 projects together, please drop me a comment. I'll be more than happy to do it. So you're going to stitch right around until you're about that much. And you're going to use any stuffing that you have, any leftover pieces of cloth or a torn t-shirt that you can cut up. And that's it. I've sewed that piece together. I'm just going to secure this thread. The first day of school in South Africa was last Wednesday. And I never knew what to give my 9-year-old. You know, something to take to school has a reminder that, son, you are my superstar. You can do this. And I've got 2 small boys in primary school, 1 9, 1 12, and I try and give the same gifts as, you know, age appropriate, but the same. So I made 2 of them. And I just put a keychain on. So here's me putting on the keychain. And I thought it was just something that, you know, they could always have, knowing, you know, they are superstar no matter what happens. I just thought it was kind of cute. Well, they thought so too, so. Now, you can use googly eyes and this glue. There is a full bottle of glue and I'm forever trying to shake it out. You can use googly eyes, you can use buttons, you can use a darning needle and make X's or whatever the case may be. You don't have to put a mouth if you don't want to. You don't have to put eyes. It's your choice. You can do this in whatever way you feel best. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe because going forward, I'm going to be posting a lot of comment. Have an awesome day.